Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update Ford Explorer navigation. Keeping your navigation system up to date ensures you always have the most accurate maps and points of interest. This easy method uses a simple USB drive, saving you a trip to the dealership. The entire process typically takes about 60 minutes, and your vehicle needs to be running throughout. Let's get started with preparing your update files. First, you'll need to prepare your USB drive. Head to the official Ford owner's website and enter your vehicle's identification number to see if an update is available. Download the necessary navigation files to your computer. Next, grab a USB drive with at least 4 gigabytes of space and format it to either exFAT or FAT32. Finally, copy all the downloaded files directly onto the root of this prepared USB drive. Now, let's move to your vehicle. Start your Ford Explorer and keep the engine running throughout the entire process. If your vehicle has an automatic engine shutdown feature, please disable it. Insert your prepared USB drive into one of your vehicle's USB ports. Your sync system should automatically detect the new software. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to initiate the installation of your updated navigation maps. The installation can take anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes, so please be patient. Your sync system will reboot a few times during this period. This is completely normal. It is crucial not to remove the USB drive or turn off your vehicle until you see a confirmation message on the screen. Once complete, remove the USB and you can verify the new map version in your sync system's information settings. Enjoy your updated navigation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.